It's about time Apple is about to unveil the iPhone 17. But the real question is it the next big leap or just small tweaks dressed up as innovation? Soon we will find out if it blows your mind, your wallet, or maybe both. The announcement is expected on September 9th and devices should be in hand about 10 days later. Through leaks, rumors, and some secret sources, we have uncovered a few highlights about the iPhone 17. Today we will talk about features, upgrades, and maybe a few eyebrow-raising choices. So without any further ado, let's dive in. So what's new in this? Apple is actually planning 4 models again, but this time no Plus. Say hello to the iPhone 17 Air, rumored to be the thinnest iPhone ever. Some sources even say it's thinner than a credit card. Maybe a little exaggeration, but we will see. iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air could finally get 120Hz refresh rates across all models. Screen sizes may range from 6.3 to 6.9-inch OLED, with an always-on display brighter than ever. The Pro Max might even get micro LED tech with contrast so deep it could make OLED blush. Front camera may double to 24 megapixel. Standard rear cameras, dual 48 megapixel. Pro models, triple 48 megapixel across wide, ultra and telephoto lenses. Pro Max could have 8x optical zoom so crazy you could read fine print from across the street. Air model keeps it simple with a single 48 megapixel. Some rumors hint at AI Ultra Night mode. Stars could look like neon. Chipsets get a serious bump too, upgraded from A18 to A19 for standard models and A19 Pro for Pro variants. Similarly, standard ones will have 8GB RAM and slightly higher for Pros at 12GB. Design rumors are wild this year. Frames could be seamless with slimmer bezels, and the world is buzzing about Apple ditching titanium for full aluminum again. The buzz might not be entirely positive. Surely caused people scrunching their nose. Air might flirt with an aluminum-titanium alloy, giving it strength without bulk. Colors are reportedly more vivid than ever. Standard models in black, white, steel grey, green, purple, and light blue. Pros might throw in a darker blue and yes, orange. Imagine that, Apple logo in bright orange, bold, shocking and kind of beautiful. Battery rumors say slight upgrades across the board, with Pro Max potentially hitting 5000 mAh, optimized for those who scroll endlessly. Air, designed for slimmers, might have 2800 mAh, enough to keep up with your TikTok binges. Charging could see a jump too, whispers of 50-watt MagSafe support across all models. Here we see the upgrades in all the features. Remarkably, camera and display seems to offer the vivid updates. iPhone 16 had only 12 megapixels as front and 48 megapixels with added 12 megapixels for ultra-wide view. To now, iPhone 17 will have 24 megapixels front camera and dual 48 megapixel for rear ones. The jump from 5x zoom to 8x for Pro Max. These are all possible updates about new iPhone 17. We will have to wait and see what actually turns out true. If you like the video, smash that like button and leave a comment. Are you excited for a new drop? And hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.